Hey everybody, it's Andy Baryer, Handy Andy from handyandymedia.com, and today we're doing another review, another pair of wireless earbuds. This time it's from Marley, House of Marley, and we're looking at the Redemption ANC 2. This is a pair of truly wireless earbuds, earphones. I don't know, a lot of people have different names for it. Comes in a nice little case, and it's made out of real wood. Is it any good? Well, you're gonna have to stay tuned and to find out. So what do you say? Let's get this show on the road. Folks, sit back, relax, get your popcorn ready, and cue the intro. Now, if you haven't watched the unboxing video of this, you'll want to go on my YouTube channel and you can see the full unboxing. Shows you everything that you get with this pair. In case you're really interested and you want to know what it comes with, you want to go ahead and check out that video. Once you unbox it, you see everything that you get with it. And let's go ahead and take a quick look at the design of both the case and the earbuds. The case itself is made from this hard plastic. Most importantly, it is super small. And what I like is on the top, they got this nice little wooded accent on the top with the Marley logo that looks to be plastic engraved right in the middle. Once you open up, you'll actually see the earbuds themselves. They are easy to take out and put inside your ear, so you're not going to have difficulty doing that. And with this small case, you can carry it around with you all the time. Now, with the ANC on, you're going to expect to get about 8 hours on a single charge. 16 when you count the case, so if you have the case with you, you basically got all day battery life. In terms of the design of the earbuds themselves, they are black, made out of a hard plastic, labeled left and right. Of course, you do have the silicone tip on the front. They do come with optional ones for different sizes in case your ear is bigger or smaller than the average. And most importantly is you'll notice that it does have that stem design with the accented wood, just like you saw on the case, and the Marley logo engraved on the top. Me personally, for years, I have not been a fan of the stem design, but this one I do not mind, and that's because of the wood. Gives you that nice look. I'm not into the Apple AirPods, that sterile white. You know, you see a sharp dressed man, a nice suit, and he's got these two freaking, it looks like those tooth, you know, like for electronic toothbrushes. It looks like you got those freaking hanging out of your ears. Whereas this one, you know, with the black and the wooden trim on there, which I believe is bamboo, it's a nice look. If you got a nice suit on or you're looking sharp, these will look sharp as well if they're in your ear. And, you know, with my skin tone and stuff, it kind of just blends all in. So, gotta say, I was very happy with the overall design, but what really impressed me was the fit itself. The fit is actually really, really good. And, sorry, I just gotta turn the music off. It keeps playing music off my phone. The fit is very, very comfortable. And what really impressed me was that there's no ear fatigue. You could have these on all day. Like say you wake up in the morning, you put these on, you go out your day, you take your calls and listen to music, podcasts and what have you. And then you just leave them on. You're not going to get ear fatigue. They're not going to start bugging you. You're not going to feel that you have to take them out and put them back in the case. You could literally wear these all day. But the fit is really snug. Again, I would, you know, these are not the type of earbuds that I would jump rope with because usually you want like a sports earbud. But the fit was so impressive, I had to do it. So when I was doing my jump rope session, I was going to film myself because I was checking some moves. So I was like, you know what? I might as well check out these Marley Redemption ANC 2. Took them out of the case, put them on, started jumping rope. And I gotta be honest with you, I was very, very impressed with the fit. It did not fall out. I was doing my new move, the double under alternate crossovers with my hands. Again, it did not fall out. I come down, I'm like, wow, nothing really moved. It's pretty impressive. But you know, I've had this issue with earbuds before where I think this is like the best fitting earbuds. I jump rope with it. I do it every day. And then it starts to fall out later on. These ones just really, really snug. I might keep trying it over and over again to see if they actually will eventually fall out. But for something that's just like hanging at your ear, it was pretty impressive with the jump rope. So who is this for? You know what? Maybe you do like the stem. Maybe you prefer the stem type of look. but you want this wooden kind of aesthetics, this is for you. You know, these earbuds are part of our like lifestyle. It's like how sneakers used to be in my era, where you could talk and really express yourself by, you know, the kind of sneakers you wore. Now it's all about like earbuds and all the accessories that we have for our smartphones. It's just the sign of the times that we live in. The touch controls on here, not the way that I liked it. However, there is a corresponding Marley app that you can now get. This is the first Marley app, and these are the first devices that will work with that app. Inside the app, you could also change the EQ to like say bass boost or more like classical, and they have presets, or you can manually set the EQ. For some reason, I could not hear the difference between the different EQ. I think because this is a brand new app, maybe with my Android phone, they're going to have to do a firmware update or something, because none of those features were working. The ANC, toggling it on, off, in an ambient mode, really couldn't hear a big difference. So I don't think people are going to be buying this for the ANC features. They're going to buy it because of the wood. Let's be honest, because of this look. You know, it's a nice pair of earphones. The sound quality is really good. Provided you're not an audiophile, you'll be happy with this. For the majority of music, freaking Bob Marley music sounded great with this. So you can't go wrong on that front as well. So all in all, great fit. No ear fatigue. Nice look. Really nice, you know, portable, compact case. There's a lot to like about this earbud. If they fix those little errors inside the app, this guy is going to be very, very happy. And I could see myself using these all the time, especially when I do my weekly Costco trip and listen to lots of podcasts while I'm doing that. Because I don't know about you, but going to Costco, you got to be in the right mental health, frame of mind when you go there, especially on a busy day. Anyways, I'm rambling on, folks. I hope you like this review of the Marley Redemption ANC 2 from House of Marley. If you did, please subscribe to this channel, like this video, leave your comments below. I respond to all the comments eventually. And if you want more information about your boy, hit me up on my website, handyandymedia.com. Once again, it's your boy, Andy Baryer, Handy Andy from Handy Andy Media, signing out. See you again next time.